Namaskar, myself Swin Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you to our weekly weather briefing program today, that is 16 November 2023. This is the major weather system during past 7 days. Here you can see that WD was affected over northern parts of India, including Western Himalayan region and plains of northwest India from 9 to 11th November, and that cyclone circulation was emerged over Andaman Sea around 13 November, and which is likely to form as a low pressure area over South Bay of Bengal around 14th, and it has intensified as a depression over West Central Bay of Bengal and further intensified as a deep depression over West Central Bay of Bengal today morning. This is the significant in past 7 days. Here you can see that southern peninsular India got good rainfall during the past 7 days, especially Tamil Nadu was received entire 7 days heavy rainfall or heavy to very heavy rainfall. You can see that one day, that on 9th November, Tamil Nadu was received extremely heavy rainfall in isolated places. It was 23 centimeter over Nilgiri districts, and heavy to very heavy rainfall on 13-14. Including this, WD has effect over the Western Himalayan region and adjoining plains of northwest India early in week 1, and Jammu and Kashmir also received isolated heavy rainfall or snowfall on 11th November 2023. This is the rainfall distribution subdivision wise. Here you can see that northwest India was received good rainfall amount. Normal was 2 centimeter, it received 9.2 centimeter, which is 362% departure of normal rainfall. And other than this, southern peninsular India also received good rainfall amount, which is also positive 20%. However, East and Northeast India was 99% in minus, and Central India also minus 80% in minus departure. Overall, country as a whole last week was 15% positive departure over the country. And now for the subdivision wise rainfall for a season from 1st October to 15 November. Here you can see that the entire country overall is departure is minus 26%. However, only Northwest India is positive 49%. Rest of other subdivision, East, Northeast India, Central India, Southern Peninsular India, all three are in departure in negative. This is the synoptic system of today. Here you can see that as a depression, deep depression over the West Central Bay of Bengal, and one cyclone circulation over southwest and adjoining Sri Lanka coast, and a trough from this side to deep depression in middle troposphere levels. Due to this, you can see this is the forecast tracks of DD, deep depression. You can see that it is likely to intensify. DD is likely to intensify cyclonic storm during next 24 hours over northern parts of Bay of Bengal, and which is likely to cross Bangladesh on 18th morning with the speed of 60 to 70 kmph with gusting 80 kmph. This is the fisherman warning due to the system. Here you can see that southwest Bay of Bengal on 16th and west central Bay of Bengal 16th, 17th, and north Bay of Bengal 16th to 18th, and along and off Andhra Pradesh coast and Odisha coast 16, 17, and along and off West Bengal and Bangladesh coast due to 16 to 18 November. Here you can see that for day 1, day 2 and day 3 that fisherman warning is there. On day 4, no adverse weather warning for fishermen for entire Bay of Bengal including Arabian Sea. So fishermen are advised not to venture into the marked area on particular dates. This is the heavy rainfall warning. You can see that on day 1, heavy rainfall is likely to expected over Tamil Nadu, Odisha and GWB and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. On day 2, it is increase over northeastern state, especially Tripura and Mizoram, which is likely to expected heavy to very heavy rainfall. On day 2, heavy rainfall Assam, Meghalaya and GWB and Tamil Nadu. Including this, Andaman Nicobar also expected heavy rainfall on day 2. On day 3, with this 18, that in day 3 on Assam, Meghalaya and NMT likely to expected heavy rainfall. On day 4, that is 19th, a fresh spell of heavy rainfall is likely to expected over Tamil Nadu and Kerala on 19th and 28th, and thunderstorm activity over the southern peninsular India is likely to continue during next 4-5 days. With this, damage expected direction suggested for the coastal areas of Odisha or West Bengal due to the deep depression. Minor damage or loose uncut structure, minor damage to small trees like banana, papaya and domestic and rib paddy crops. With this, partial damage to the standing crop in coastal areas of Odisha and West Bengal, and minor damage to kacha embankments. And this is the forecast for 2 weeks, cyclogenesis forecast. Here you can see week 1 no cyclogenesis forecast, but however week 2 is likely to expected it low probability for cyclogenesis. There is a likelihood to formation of a cyclone circulation or low pressure area over southwest and adjoining west central Bay Bengal during later part of week, and there is a low probability of cyclogenesis over southwest Bay Bengal during the first half of week 2. This is the forecast for next 2 weeks for rainfall. Here you can see that due to the system, that deep depression which is likely to intensify CS, that East India including Northeast India with southern peninsular India is likely to expected good rainfall in week 1, and week 2 over that East coast and southern peninsular India due to the northeast monsoon or easterly waves is likely to expected good rainfall over this part. However, the rest of the country is likely to dry for during next 2 weeks. And this is the forecast for temperature. Here you can see that no significant change in minimum temperature are likely to over the most part of the country for week 1. On week 2 is also minimum temperature departure likely to be near normal or above normal by 1 to 3 degree most of the part. You can see that red color shows that above normal by 1 to 3 degree, rest of the part is the below normal or near normal the temperature, minimum temperature during next 2 weeks. And thank you very much all of you to listen me. You can use our app, Mausam app, Damni app, Meghdoot for latest information, as well as you can follow social media platform as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, where we update regularly for forecast and warning. Thank you very much all of you. Namaskar.